Welcome back, Raiders. Make sure to exit on your left and grab while we're in the line. And have a great rest of your day here at Buena Park. And enjoy your ride. Riders, main portion of the launch. Good night. Have a
Short but sweet.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, I love that one. Now that we have Tron, it's like cool to ride this again, just to sort of. So we just got off Pony Express, which is right behind us, and it is a launch coaster similar to Tron.
Yeah.
If you've been to Disney World in the last year and you've been able to get on Tron, or if you've been to Disney in China and you've been able to get on Tron, we don't have many of these in the United States. So this the first time we ever rode anything with the seating like this.
Yeah, was this ride.
And it's very, very short, but it's super fun. It's not quite as intense as Tron or as long as Tron, but I think because it was the first one of these that we ever rode, we kind of have a special place for it in our hearts. And it was literally like a walk-on.
Yes,
so,
5 minute wait.
Yeah, it was not a big deal, and we will probably ride it 3 or 4 more times today. It's just it's fun.
And this ride you cannot take backs on. Just from how the loading system is, how it crushes you in. Just so be warned, you have to put your stuff in the
Yeah, even if you have a hip pack on, you cannot wear that. You have to take everything
And they were only
off.
running one train, so it wasn't like you didn't even have to worry about your luggage or your stuff because it was just in the cubby and you came back around again.
And again, the only thing we did not have to take off were these video glasses with the strap. So I think you have to have a strap because I did see them make other people take their glasses off.
Yeah.
But so as long as you have a strap on your glasses, you'll be fine.